Welcome to the channel again. Today I'm going to use ATR, which is average true range indicator to throw this very trade that you are seeing on the screen, so that I will be able to minimize risk and also get more out of this market, because I actually believe this market will go up or higher than this. So I will use the ATR, that is the trading stop loss, to secure my profit at the end of this. So I'm going to set the stop loss. I'll adjust the stop loss to a profit. Then I took this trade at 67,000 plus. Then currently the market is at 68,200. So I will adjust my stop loss to 68,100, so that whenever if the market drop down to below that point, I will still get a $630 out of the market. So I've adjusted my stop loss and also my take profit. My take profit, I move it to 68,500, which if that market hit that price, I will make 1,000 plus dollars out of this trade. But I still believe it will hit the stop loss, which I will get $630 out of this market. And in few days, I will be dropping tutorial videos on how to trade forex market and crypto in general. So if you have any question that you want to ask regarding crypto, kindly drop it in the comment section. Do not forget to hit the like button. And also, if this video is interesting and also you would like to see more of this video, kindly subscribe to this channel, and also remember to hit the notification bell so that you won't miss any of our tutorial videos and interesting videos when it comes to how to make money online trading and also sport betting. Thank you so much. I will see you guys next.